Flutter alert box library. It's a customized library we have published it in previous year. So here you can go through it and can know the initialization and implementation of this library into your application. We have provided more number of options in this library rather than in our example. So you can customize it. You can add divider lines, you can align the text left, center or right by basing these codes I have provided, and the radius of the alert box and box color and button text color and also the title and content text color. All these customizations are being you can easily use. You can see here by implementing the library. So here the implementation is there, and here you can add the latest version of the dependency. Here is the link for the library. You can go there and have a look at it, and I will provide the link in the description section. And here you go is the output. We have provided the output of the library. Here you can see the color changes, button color and the divider lines, and here the radius is there. So this is the description of this library. If you want to have a look, the description, in the description section I have provided the link for both the library